Nvidia, a company founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang and two others, initially focused on designing graphics processing units, GPUs. These GPUs are specifically designed to handle thousands of simple tasks simultaneously, making them ideal for rendering graphics in video games. Nvidia went public in 1999, but for the first 2 decades it remained relatively obscure, primarily serving the gaming market. The company's strategy of designing but not manufacturing its chips, instead outsourcing production to companies like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, allowed it to focus on innovation and development. The landscape for Nvidia began to shift significantly in the late 2010s. Initially, the rising interest in cryptocurrencies created a new demand for GPUs, as these chips were highly effective for crypto mining due to their ability to perform repetitive tasks efficiently. However, this also made Nvidia vulnerable to the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market. When the crypto market crashed in the summer of 2022, Nvidia's stock took a significant hit. Yet just a few months later, Nvidia's trajectory changed dramatically with the release of ChatGPT and the subsequent AI boom. The AI boom brought about a massive demand for Nvidia's GPUs. These chips are not only used to run AI models, but are also crucial in training these models, which involves processing large amounts of data through repetitive tasks. Nvidia's revenues soared as a result, beating expectations in every earnings report. In the first quarter of the year, Nvidia's revenues were up 262% year over year, and profits surged by 600%. The release of Nvidia's next-generation Blackwell chips, which promised to be twice as powerful as the previous generation, further fueled optimism. Pre-orders for these chips far exceeded supply, indicating strong demand. Nvidia's rise in the stock market has been nothing short of meteoric. Over the past month, its stock rose by 40%, and over the past year, it increased by 200%. Since 2022, Nvidia's stock has surged by nearly 1,000%. This impressive performance has made Nvidia the world's most valuable company, surpassing giants like Apple and Microsoft, which have dominated the top spots for over a decade. Nvidia's market capitalization reached a record high of $3.34 trillion, contributing significantly to the gains on the S&P 500 and the tech-based NASDAQ index. Despite the overwhelmingly positive market response, the demand for Nvidia's chips is likely to remain strong. However, this also depends on whether companies using Nvidia's chips can effectively leverage AI to create value. Additionally, geopolitical factors, particularly American sanctions, could significantly impact Nvidia's sales in East Asia. Sanctions have already affected Nvidia's sales in China, which previously accounted for about 25% of its revenue. To mitigate this, Nvidia has developed chips that comply with sanctions and rerouted sales through Singapore, which now accounts for about 15% of sales. Further escalation of sanctions could pose more significant challenges, but strategic support from the U.S. government could also provide opportunities. Nvidia's near monopoly in the high-end AI chip market is a major advantage. The company's chips are considered the best in the industry, and it controls about 95% of the market. This dominance is not just due to the quality of the chips, but also because Nvidia provides the supporting infrastructure, including networking equipment and the CUDA software framework, which has become the industry standard. CUDA is incompatible with other chips, creating a barrier for competitors. As a result, any serious challenger would need to surpass Nvidia in all 3 areas: chip quality, networking, and software. However, the tech industry is full of examples where companies with strong monopolistic positions eventually faced significant competition. Companies that become complacent with their dominant market position and high profit margins often struggle when new competitors emerge. Nvidia's ability to sustain its market position will depend on continuous innovation and adapting to changing market dynamics. Another important aspect is the role of government policies and subsidies. The U.S. government has shown a willingness to support domestic chip manufacturing through initiatives like the CHIPS Act, which provides $50 billion in subsidies. This support could benefit Nvidia, especially if the government views the company as strategically important in the tech race against China. Direct or indirect support from the government could enhance Nvidia's market position and provide a buffer against geopolitical risks. In addition to its hardware, Nvidia's software ecosystem is a significant strength. The CUDA platform, which allows developers to write software that takes full advantage of Nvidia's chips, has become the standard in the industry. This creates a lock-in effect. as companies that develop their AI models using CUDA are less likely to switch to competitors' products. Nvidia's dominance in both hardware and software creates a comprehensive ecosystem that is difficult for competitors to penetrate. Looking forward, Nvidia's future appears promising, but not without challenges. The company needs to continue innovating to stay ahead of competitors and maintain its market position. The development of new chips and enhancements to its software platform will be crucial. Additionally, navigating geopolitical risks and capitalizing on government support will be important factors in sustaining its growth. The AI boom has been a major driver of Nvidia's recent success, but the company must also be prepared for potential downturns in the market. Diversifying its product offerings and expanding into new markets could help mitigate the risks associated with relying heavily on a single industry. Nvidia's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and continue providing cutting-edge technology will determine its long-term success. In conclusion, Nvidia's rise to become the world's most valuable company is a testament to its innovation and strategic positioning in the AI and GPU markets. The company's future success will depend on its ability to sustain its technological edge, navigate geopolitical challenges, and capitalize on opportunities presented by government support and the evolving tech landscape. While there are risks and uncertainties, Nvidia's strong market position and comprehensive ecosystem provide a solid foundation for continued growth.